Alright, so this video we're going to go over how to set up the bid packages in Build Tools. And what you're going to see is, I guess, two things. Number one, if we go into this project that we're talking about specifically, I did cheat a little bit. So you're going to have to first set up the bid packages. So as you can see here, just jumping on a little bit, and these are all closed out because we've already bought them out and the project has already started. We're in the permitting process at this point. So what you're going to need to do is go over down here to templates and go to bids. And what we're going to do, this is a little weird, but what we're going to do is double check everything because the software's a little glitchy. But you have, as you can see, you have 90 entries right here. And what do we have over? 1, 2. So we should have 95 when we finish. So when you go to, excuse me, button, when you go to templates down here, and bids, what you want to do is sort by your name. For whatever reason, it doesn't sort automatically, but now you're in order, numerically for all the job codes. This is another glitchy thing about the software. Even though you click here, you would think that you can send it. You can't send it yet. They are in the process of fixing it. Uncheck the first one, send it. Project we were talking about, so Kentucky Street. Give it a second because it's sending. This is another glitch, but you want to follow this too. We haven't figured a workaround, but since it's not critical, we're just kind of working around it. So you're going to uncheck these and go to number 2. Same thing, check the first one, uncheck it. Going back to Kentucky Street. Give it a moment. This is still thinking, let it go. I'm going to uncheck these. I hope I didn't mess it up there. Kentucky Street. Now, if you made a mistake, you're just going to have to reload the program and know that you're at tab number 3. See? This is where it makes mistakes. So what we're going to have to do while they're trying to fix that, we're going to reload it. We're going to go back to bids. You should have 35 in there, I believe. No, 45. 45 total. That's good. So go back into templates, bids, sort it, jump back over to here. Exactly like I said before. And I'm just going to do it one more time to make sure we don't make a mistake. Uncheck, go to 4, highlight, uncheck, Kentucky. And then one more, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so now remember we had the 5 extra ones, which typically shouldn't happen. But in order to double check this, again, we had 90 original entries. And what we've done is we've itemized every single cost within the construction of the home so that we don't miss any cost codes for stuff that we're bidding out. If it's basic stuff like miscellaneous materials or dumpsters or something simple, there's really no good process. We already know what the numbers are. So anyway, these are actual bidded out categories. So we have to bid out the job to a total of 90 subcontractors for each job. Then you're going to jump back to bids, and we have 95. We want to always double check this number. Make sure that we don't have any more than that. And what I want to do is get rid of the duplicates. So when we finish, we're at 90. So we're going to get rid of civil, because I already bid that out. We're going to get rid of survey. those three. That's one, three right now. That's weird. Architectural's right here. We also have another one right here. What else do we have? Let me delete these real quick so those things are correct. Always just double sort, just make sure. Just want to make sure. Architectural. Oh, water, sewer. Okay. Go down from there on the page. Water and sewer. There it is. Boom. Okay. So we just got rid of those real quick. And then what we're going to be left with is the 90 bid category. So after you've created all the bid packages, then the next step is to send them out. So that'll be in the next video, but now this project is ready to start inputting data and sending out the drawings.